Beauties, your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today I'm going to be going over the crystal stick. I have been using this for a very long time. You guys have seen me talk about this in my other deodorant or natural deodorant videos, but I realized that I never actually sat down and gave you guys a full review on it. So that is what we're going to do today. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is EuniyceMari, and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIY, all that fun stuff. If you are not subscribed to my channel, girl, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and share your girl with the world. So if you want to know more of my background of with my natural underarm journey of deodorants that I've tried, my experiences, I have a full playlist. I will leave it above and down below, and also some very relevant videos of other deodorants and other essential oils and methods that I've tried for my underarm care. So let's go ahead and let's jump into this crystal deodorant stick. It's actually one of my favorites to use. It's effective, it works, and it lasts a long time. So where can you find this bad boy? You can find it at CVS, Target, Walgreens, even online. Any drugstore, you are able to find this. This is about $5 depending on where you purchase it. Also, if you have a coupon at CVS, you can always save a little bit of extra on it. So next, let's talk about the product info on this. What is this bad boy all about? So this is made of a mineral crystal salt. I'm gonna show you guys what it is. It rolls up. You get quite a bit of product. Just like that, you get quite a bit of product, and it's just actually like a salt stick. So it's a mineral salt stick. It has no aluminum. It's 4.25 ounces. This one is fragrance free. It lasts up to a year, which I actually had this for more than a year. And it's cruelty free. It's vegan, no parabens. And so how do I feel about this? What is my experience with using this? It worked. It's effective. It's simple to put on, and I'm actually going to show you guys in a little bit how you actually use this, because that's a big question when it comes to this, is how do you use it. So I'm going to actually demo it and show you guys how to use it. And I love it. I feel like it's something that you can have and it'll last you a very long time. It's simple. Next, we're going to get into my experience with using this, and it's actually one of my favorites deodorants to use. It lasts a long time. It works. It keeps away any body odor. You will sweat, but because it doesn't have any like baking soda, or it doesn't have like any arrowroot or any powder in it to absorb moisture. So you will sweat with this bad boy, but the mineral salt in it, or the salt in it, does keep away any type of like body odor. It's just really simple to use. You throw it on and it works, and it works for me, and I like it. There's no real cons I have with it. I mean, just sometimes it's annoying to wet it down and then have to put it underneath your arm, but that's a really minor con. So now we're going to go ahead and jump into how you use this bad boy. I'm going to give you guys some tips on how I use it, and it's really quick, and you'll see in the next clip. Firstly, one way that I really like to use this that makes it really simple is that right when I get out the shower, when my underarms are moist, I just take this and directly apply it underneath my arm. I probably do about 5 to 6 swipes underneath the arm, and then I move to the next arm, okay? And that to me is a quick way you can use it, so you don't have to like go wet it down and then put it underneath the arm. But I'm going to demonstrate the wetting down process so you guys can actually see how this works. So let's do it.
Okay, so you just go ahead and you take the crystal and run it under the water just a little bit. You don't have to put a lot of water on it to get it to work. And then just on a clean underarm, you want to just go ahead and do a regular swiping motion. I do it about 5 to 6 times just to make sure that it's on there.
Okay, so that is pretty much simple. That's how you use this product, and it's actually one of my favorite products to use. It lasts for a very long time. You can't go wrong with this. So yeah, now let's touch in on some few things before I end this video. If you are someone who is in the transitioning mark of transitioning from regular deodorant to this, it will take a while for your body to get used to. I say that across the board. You want to do a detox and all that stuff, but it will take time for your body to adjust and for you to adjust, and you will sweat, you will smell a little bit, but eventually down the road your body will equal out and it will be really easy to do. So with that being said, you guys, I will leave a link to this down below. If you guys have any questions about this product, let me know. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.